Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting inside Spotify, so open Library and pick the playlist you want to change. Once selected, enter Edit or Edit Details. This exposes the name field. You do this now because the name is locked behind the playlist editing view. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns the playlist. Otherwise, you may only see follow or save options. If it's a collaborative playlist, you'll still be able to rename it if you have edit rights. You'll now change the playlist name. Tap or click the name field and enter the new title, keeping it concise so it displays well across devices. While here, update the description or cover image to match the new name. That keeps your branding consistent. Once typed, check privacy settings if you want it public or private. Make sure to preview on desktop and mobile. Spotify can truncate long names, so verify legibility and adjust if the title looks cut off. You're at the finish line. Hit Save or Done to commit the new name and watch it update in your library. If you use multiple devices, give Spotify a few seconds to sync. The change usually propagates automatically. If it doesn't appear, make sure you saved, then try logging out and back in or clearing the app cache. This forces a fresh sync. If the playlist is collaborative, check other editors didn't overwrite your change. Coordinate names to avoid conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.